Have you ever pondered what the future holds for agricultural technology? Imagine a world where drones, those buzzing machines better known for capturing stunning aerial shots, become indispensable allies to farmers. Well, fast forward a few years, and that future is here. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of drone technology in agriculture. First on the agenda, identifying diseases. A farmer's nightmare, crop diseases can ravage an entire season's work in a blink. Enter drones, equipped with advanced imaging technologies. These flying machines can scan an entire field, capturing high-resolution images that can be analyzed for signs of disease. This early detection can save a farmer from catastrophic losses and ensure food security for many. Next, let's turn our attention to analyzing hazards. Drones can fly over large tracts of land, identifying potential hazards such as pests, weed infestations, or water stagnation. They can even monitor weather patterns, helping farmers anticipate and adapt to changing conditions. This proactive approach can significantly reduce the risks associated with farming. Now, imagine this: a drone whizzing past, showering your fields with the precise amount of fertilizer needed. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. Drones can apply fertilizers and other agrochemicals with surgical precision, ensuring every plant gets the nutrients it needs while minimizing wastage. It's efficiency like never before. But what about overcoming diseases? Well, drones can be a formidable weapon in a farmer's arsenal. Equipped with thermal sensors, they can identify unhealthy plants even before the human eye can spot them. Farmers can then target these plants with specific treatments, saving not only the affected plants, but also preventing the spread of disease. However, like all technologies, drone usage in agriculture has its pros and cons. On the upside, drones can boost crop yields, reduce labor costs, and enable precision farming. They can also provide real-time data, allowing farmers to make informed decisions swiftly. But on the downside, drones are expensive, require skilled operators, and their use raises privacy concerns. In conclusion, the future of agricultural technology is here, and it's buzzing with potential. Drones, with their ability to identify diseases, analyze hazards, apply fertilizers, and overcome diseases, are revolutionizing the field. But, as with all technologies, it's essential to weigh the benefits against the costs. As we usher in this exciting era, one thing is certain: the sky's the limit for drone technology in agriculture. So, the next time you see a drone buzzing overhead, remember, it might just be the future of farming.